Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 15, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started, I do want to quickly talk about a couple things. Number one, you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know, like this one, for instance. And I will be doing this reset with this kind of in mind, progressing with it as though I don't know the screen lock. But before I do so, I do want to quickly mention that when doing this kind of reset, in order to get rid of a screen lock, your device will become most likely FRP locked. This is caused by the fact that most of us have a Google account signed in on a device. So if we go into our settings and into Google right here, if you have a Google account signed in, it's visible right here, and you're doing this reset to basically get rid of a screen lock that you don't know, this Google account along with the screen lock will become a way for you to unlock your device later on after the reset is finished. As when it's locked and you go into the setup process, at one point you will be stopped and you will be forced to either confirm by signing in to your Google account or confirm through a screen lock that you are the legitimate owner of the device. And if you can't provide one of those two, you won't be able to finish up the setup. So something to keep in mind, as it basically your device without this information kind of, if you can't provide it, becomes a brick. Now I do want to also add a little bit of an info. Some GSM centers offer services to remove this kind of lock. Previously I was also recording these here basically like a free way to do it at home for you. But since whatever Android, I don't remember, like 2 Androids back, basically Google patched up all these kind of vulnerabilities. So at least for free at home, it's no longer possible. But I don't know, maybe GSM centers can unlock it. So if you have such a device, you could take it to them. Usually it doesn't cost that much, but it will cost you probably something. So you could try that if you have a phone like that. Now, anyway, to get started, we're gonna first turn off our device. So if you're on your lock screen, you just hold power button and volume up at the same time and then swipe up to turn it off. Give it a moment and the device will turn off. When it turns off, you can then hold power button and volume up again, though you're gonna actually hold them for a little bit longer. And when you see the Mi logo on a screen, let go of the power button. Keep holding volume up till you have recovery mode show up like this one. When you do, you can let go of the volume up as well. Now, in here, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate. Specifically, volume down will navigate down and up will go up. So I'm going to press volume down once to select wipe data, confirm it with the power button, as that's what you confirm it with, and then select wipe all data the same way. Confirm. Now this only gets like 5-10%. Oh, there we go. As you can see, it's already finished. So from here, we're going to press power button to go back to main menu. We're going to then confirm the reboot and confirm the reboot to system. This will reboot the device, continue resetting it in the background, and once it's finished, we will be presented with the Android setup screen. Though this will take about like 1 or 2 minutes to finish up. So just be patient. I'm going to be back once this is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.